While banks also have a very good opportunity, NBFCs by no yardstick have a less attractive opportunity. The opportunity in front of NBFCs is excellent. And besides the fact that the market is huge, the great thing is that there are so many people willing to provide money, capital and debt to early startups, which was never the case. I think NBFCs had to really become large, struggle through the initial phase. Now today you don't have to struggle. You know, it's like we've, as a company, have had our first debt when we were just 1.5 years into business, and that is very unusual. I think that's a great opportunity for NBFCs. Second is that technology. Technology is a great opportunity because there were years when technology used to be very expensive, and it used to take many years to deploy it. Today, the technology, the best technology that is available to a bank is available to me because it's not very expensive, and it is also very quick and easy to deploy. We have a huge opportunity there because banks tend to be a little slow on that because of their systems which have been there for years. We don't carry that baggage. So the opportunities, I would say that on technology and on funding is great. And I think funds are available aplenty. NBFCs across India, if you look at the last year's data, a lot of them have started moving from banking finance into actually raising money directly from the capital market through CPs, through bonds, securitization, etc. So there's a lot happening in that area. The challenges I feel are primarily on people and on regulation. I think regulation was covered and people was also mentioned. As we expand rapidly, there is a huge need to train our people because the trained people are in real short supply. I think when banks face this problem, when you go to a bank, you find that their bankers are no longer as competent as they used to be. The same holds for NBFCs. So we got to make sure that we shore up and we train our people well because there's a huge need ahead. On regulatory side, I feel that in some ways NBFCs have been treated as a number two. So I think many years back, the largest car lease company, Hertz, used to tom that we are the biggest, and Avis came in and said that we are number two and we try harder. And I think NBFC story is similar, that because we are number two, we have always tried harder. And because of that, we are not afraid to put in the hard work. We are not afraid to look at niches where hard work is needed and there is risk, and risk has to be sifted through. And I think that is going to yield very good results because there's so much of inclusion to be done. Even the people who have been included need better service, more easier access to credit. And that's where I think NBFC can contribute substantially and really reach the levels that we should be capable of reaching.